I'm Carmen Mayell, Senior Loan Officer, Certified Home Loans. I love working with first-time home buyers. And chances are that if you're looking at this video, you are a first-time home buyer. Today I want to take just a moment to talk about the difference, an important difference, between down payment and closing costs. What is a down payment? Down payment is simply the amount of money that you're going to put down on the purchase of a home. Now today, as I speak, if you're a first-time home buyer, conventional loans will allow as low as 3%. If you go government, which would be like FHA, you'd be put 3%, 3.5% down. If you're a veteran, having served our country in the military, you would have eligibility likely for a no down payment loan. So let's say you're buying conventional first-time home buyer, $300,000 loan, 3% down, $9,000. We have closing costs as well that range anywhere from 3 to 4%. In this case, as much, if not a little bit more, than the down payment. What are closing costs, you may ask? 4 things. Lender fee, title expense fees, and we'll talk about that later, government fees and taxes, and the first annual insurance policy and set aside or escrow account for next year's insurance and this year's taxes. Lender fee, title expense fees, government fees and taxes, insurance and prepaids. 2 important things to keep in mind. When it comes to down payment, you have the option, should you have the opportunity to have a family member that wants to invest in your future through gift funds. Perfectly acceptable, both on the conventional side and the government side. Closing costs have the option of being mitigated to some degree, but what we call a seller concession. Terms of the loan will allow a seller to give a portion of proceeds to cover the closing costs of the buyer. So keep those things in mind. There's a difference between down payment, anywhere from 3% to whatever you want to put down, and closing costs, which usually range in the range of 3 to 4%. There's gift funds that can be used for down payment, and a seller concession to mitigate the closing costs. You want to talk about that? I'm always available, because there's nothing more important than helping you get in your first home. I'm Carmen Mayell, Certified Home Loans, looking forward to working with you.